Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. Today we are making a Southern classic, a Southern delicacy, if you will. What do you guess? You guessed it? Oh, you probably read the title, so you already know. We're making grits. Delicious. So grits can be so intimidating for some people, but they're not that hard. Like, you can get a crazy, creamy, delicious, melt in your mouth consistency with just a few ingredients, and I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. To get started, I'm going to add some water to our pot. And this is the typical way of making grits, but to make my grits super creamy, I'm going to add in some half and half. Now that our water and our half and half are boiling, I'm going to add in our grits, and I'm going to whisk as I add them in. I'm going to add in our butter. Butter, y'all. Are you looking? This is a lot of butter. It ain't. Thank you. Hi. And then if you want to thicken this up a little bit more, I'm gonna add in just a taste of heavy cream, just a little taste. Don't be trying to add no sugar to your grits, because sugar don't go in grits. No, it don't. Hey, John, Vicky, join me. Sugar don't go in grits. Salt only, guys. I mean it. Okay. Salt. Need a nice pat of butter too. Did I put enough butter in this? I'm not sure. A big old bowl of grits just for me. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, look at that nice, creamy, delicious consistency. Ready? That is just bringing me back to my youth right there. Bringing me back, taking me on a journey. Come along with me. Come along, sit at that beautiful table in Winona, Mississippi. Pull up a chair, have you a biscuit, bacon, sausage, eggs, a little rice with some sugar in it, and of course, grab a bowl of creamy, buttery grits. Until next time, guys, shoulder roll. Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.